All right, this is with tint. This is without tint. Reason is that got smashed when somebody did a smash and grab. And I had to have the window replaced. So the driver's side is tinted, but the passenger side is not. Now you could retint the passenger side, but since I'm trading the car in for a Model Y, I'm going to remove the tint on the driver's side to match the passenger side. I'm going to use some speed shine. You could use anything, soapy water, and you take a garbage bag and you basically stick the garbage bag to the outside of the window. You trim it with a bit of overlap, and then I'm going to take that garbage bag, spray the inside of the window with the speed shine, and then stick that to the inside of the window, park the car in the heat, and then I should be able to peel off the tint without a problem. Just spray the inside of the window, transfer the garbage bag to the inside of the window, and now I'm going to move the car so that the sun bakes on the window, and the heat of the sun and the plastic bag and the moisture are going to make it easy for me to peel off that tint. All right, it is nice and toasty inside the car, 98 degrees. It should work. All right, I got a little plastic tool here because we don't want to scratch the glass. All right, got a little bit of an edge there. Let's see how it goes. So far, so good. Look at that. I got it all the way down to the bottom. Okay, that worked really well. That is a untinted window.